All right, good morning, everyone. Tuesday morning here, video blog time. We're in between systems now. We, as expected, picked up about an inch or two of snow overnight. It made things slick for early morning commuters. We're in better shape now. A lot of 2-hour school delays this morning as a result of the timing of this morning's snow. But tomorrow morning is kind of the main event for the week, so let's get right to what's going on now and, most importantly, what's going to happen tomorrow. Our steady snow pushing well off to the east this morning. We're just left with some residual flurries downwind of Lake Erie. We're not looking for any additional snow accumulations for today. So the rest of the day, just cloudy, cold. We'll stay in the 20s. Not quite as cold as yesterday when we stayed in the teens most of the day. Here's a live look outside at 8:22 this morning. This is our camera in Boardman along 224 and Market Street. As you can see, this is a major road and it's doing generally okay here, mostly just wet. Same idea up in Niles. The main thoroughfares such as 422 are doing okay. No doubt some of the side streets are slick this morning. Parking lots that haven't been treated, that sort of thing. Certainly things can still be slippery for a time. In Columbiana along the traffic circle, again, fairly well-traveled intersection here. They've taken care of the road pretty well. So we're quiet for the rest of the day today. Let's talk about tomorrow. Ignore a lot of the green you see on the model here. This is just cloud cover depicted on the modeling here at about 3 in the morning. It's certainly not going to be raining. The snow comes in tomorrow morning probably around 4 to 6 a.m. on average. It'll probably come in from southwest to northeast, so the last places to see the snow starting will be northern and eastern parts of Mercer County in our viewing area. But yeah, the snow is here and the timing is really bad on this for morning commuters tomorrow. It's going to be a much different deal than this morning. This morning, you know, the snow winded down before sunrise. At daybreak tomorrow, it's going to be thumping snow. So this is an all throughout the morning kind of a deal for tomorrow. And so I would expect probably a lot of school closings tomorrow as a result of this. It's going to be snowing hard at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., and then by 9 and 10 a.m., I think from southwest to northeast, the snow is going to start to taper off a little bit. Notice that some of the mixed precipitation here depicted by the pink gets kind of close to the far southeastern part of our viewing area. I wouldn't be totally shocked if East Liverpool, if we had a few sleet pellets down here. I don't think it just totally changes over to just sleet and just keeps sleeting for a while. It might be a few sleet pellets mixed in with the snow. But yeah, for 99% of our area, this is just a good old snowstorm. The one thing we have going for us is the speed. If this were a slower storm, we'd be looking at some really hefty amounts. But the speed of this, it's going to keep moving along, and so amounts will not get out of control. The snow will then pretty much end by about lunchtime, noon to 1, maybe 2 o'clock at the latest. And so the road crews will get a chance to really catch up by midday into the afternoon. We'll get a few backlash residual snow flurries late in the day, but again, the bigger deal is certainly the morning hours. As far as accumulations go, here's kind of the broad view of things. I'll probably have to adjust this a little bit out of our viewing area, but this 3 to 5 area probably actually comes down like this. The 1 to 3 area might be certainly more back like this. But for our viewing area, I like what we have out. A general 3 to 5 for just about everyone. Now, you might be closer to the 3 in the northwestern part of our viewing area. I think we're closer to 4 or 5 in kind of the heart of the WFMJ viewing area, including Youngstown, Boardman, Canfield, Poland, Sharon, Hermitage, Hubbard, Mercer, you know, New Middletown, Lisbon. I think this zone is firmly in this range and probably near the top of it even, pretty close to 5 inches. If you do get some sleet pellets down here in East Liverpool, maybe you're closer to 3. But again, I don't think the sleet is all that likely. It's pretty much just a good old-fashioned snowstorm for us. Real quickly, I mentioned yesterday that the end of the week will feature more snow. Here's a look at the latest GFS model for Friday evening, showing a moderate band of snow across northern Ohio. It'll be interesting to see what the model trends on this are. Some of the models overnight try to keep a lot of this north of our viewing area, but today's only Tuesday. This is Friday. We got a lot of model runs between now and then, so let's not get too caught up in the details on Friday. Most importantly, a very impactful winter storm coming our way late tonight into tomorrow morning. It will impact your morning commute on Wednesday. If you absolutely have to be out on the roads, if you've got to get to work tomorrow morning, just plan on a slow trip. Allow a lot of extra travel time. And again, plan on quite a few school adjustments. I would suspect a lot of closings on Wednesday. All right, of course, more updates right here online throughout the day. I'll see you this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11, and have a great rest of your Tuesday.